if you are working with dates and you have to fill series of dates in a column. So in this video, I'll show you 2 quick ways to fill series of date. First, you can type start date 1st of January 2023. Select the cell, go into Home tab, click on field and then series. So you will be having series dialog box. Select column, type would be date, date unit would be day, step value 1, stop value 31st December 2023. So you can see here all the dates has been entered. Second, we will use sequence formula is equal to sequence. So the first parameter is rows. So we will type here 365 rows, comma, column would be 1, comma, the start would be date year 2023, month 1, day 1. Close the bracket, step would be 1, close the bracket, hit the enter. Now change the date format, select the column, press Ctrl 1, select date, and we will choose this format. Click OK. Now you can see it has generated the complete dates till 31st of December 2023. So for more Excel tips and tricks, you can like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.